Congratulations! You are fully set up as a business, you've opened your first business bank account, and now you are ready to start pulling in the money. Here's what we've learned so far. We learned that you want a business bank account to keep your stuff separate, get some benefits along the way, and start building relationships with those banks, so down the line they can give you lots of money. We learned that picking the right bank is super easy, and you can always change down the line or have multiple business bank accounts at different banks. I personally recommend you guys start with a big international bank to start. The infrastructure is just really nice for business owners, but you can always expand into local credit unions down the line to start building better relationships with smaller banks. In the next course, we're going to cover a huge topic that a lot of business owners struggle with, which is keeping track of all of the money you are bringing in and putting out. I'm going to teach you the exact strategies that I use with all of my personal clients, break it down into a 3-step process so everything is as easy and as quick as possible, and give you guys a free custom bookkeeping template to make sure everything is all organized and keep everything free for you guys. I will see you then.